Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the foil feed on a metallic elephant KSF3 Platen press. Now, we all want to get the most out of our materials, and by setting the foil feed correctly, not only will you make a better profit when selling printed items, but you'll also use less foil, which means less waste. Saving foil is saving money and the environment. This is the foil advance knob, and by loosening this, it allows the knob to move up and down. Moving the advance knob to the bottom will give the most foil feeding through the rollers. Moving the advance knob to the top will do the opposite, the least amount of foil. To aid this and to make the knob move easily, hold the handle at the front of the press and move up and down. This helps things move easily. The gaps between the image prints should be around 3 to 4 millimeters to really get the most out of your foil.